Do you guys see like cultural differences, back in Australia and Japan?
Definitely, yeah. I think one of the first things we noticed was like Aussies are very loud.
Loud? What do you do for a living?
I work in marketing.
Marketing?
Yes.
Oh.
And I work as an exercise scientist for a medical screening company.
Have you done a lot of shoppings?
We are planning to Ginza
Ginza? Okay.
Mega Don Quixote.
Mega Don Quixote, okay.
Hey guys, it's Yumi from English Boot Camp. Welcome to my channel. 皆さんこんにちは。イングリッシュブートキャンプのユミです。こちらの動画では、英語学習に関するお役立ち情報ですね、どんどん上げておりますので、ぜひね、チャンネル登録していただければと思います。今回も大好評シリーズ、外国人街頭インタビューシリーズですね。今回もね、2組の外国人観光客にいろいろお話をね、俊平さんが聞いてくれています。最後の方にね、私の方から今回の英語のね、発音ポイントとか使えるフレーズっていったものをね、解説していきますのでね、ぜひぜひね、最後までね、見ていってくださいね。で、私のプロフィールですけれどもね、こんな感じです。初めて私のことを知ったって方はね、概要欄を見ていただくと詳細載せておりますので、ぜひぜひね、チェックしてみてくださいね。では早速ですが、行ってみたいと思います。俊平さんどうぞ。
Nice to meet you.
Could you tell us what your name is and where you're from?
Okay. My name is Nikki and come from Indonesia.
Indonesia, okay.
Me
And
too,
you're
from Indonesia.
from Indonesia.
My name is Effie.
Effie, okay. So where about Indonesia are you guys from? You're like in the capital city or?
Oh, yes.
Okay, I see. So is this your first time to Japan?
Yes, my second time and
Your
my
second
first time.
Your first time, okay. Have you guys visited any cities other than Tokyo after you came here?
Tokyo. The first is Shinjuku.
Shinjuku?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, so Shinjuku is the only place you have
Yes.
visited.
We just arrived at 16 today.
Oh, today?
Yes.
Oh, you just arrived today?
Yes.
Ah, I
Just arrived
see.
today.
I see. So how long are you guys going to stay here in Japan?
9 days.
10 days?
Nine
9
days.
days. 9 days, okay. So where are you planning to visit when you're in Japan, like other than Tokyo?
First, we got to bus Fuji to Fuji
To Fuji.
tonight
Uh-huh.
at 2015.
To Mount Fuji?
Yes.
Oh, so you're gonna climb all the way up to the
No,
peaks?
no.
or-
We are just like Kawaguchiko.
I
Like
see.
Kawaguchiko.
I see. Okay.
And next, we are going to Sapporo to
Sapporo.
see snow festival.
Snow
festival.
festival. I see. Do you guys ski or snowboard?
Just watch this.
Just watch the snow.
Yeah.
Okay. So not really a sports kind of visit in Sapporo.
And
Uh-huh.
after Sapporo, we are going back to Tokyo.
So any plans, any restaurant you're planning to visit like in Japan? Like any ramen or sushi places or not really?
We are planning to Kabuki Sushi.
Kabuki sushi.
Yeah.
I see. Like in the Shinjuku area.
Shinjuku.
Okay. After you come back from Sapporo.
Yeah.
I see. Can you eat like a lot of sushi like in the Indonesia, like back in your home country?
I like sushi. Yes.
You like sushi?
Yeah, I really
But
like.
how is the quality of the sushi between the Indonesian restaurant and Japanese restaurant? Is it really different?
My first time.
First time, yes.
I will try.
Yeah.
My trip before,
Uh-huh.
I don't try sushi in here.
Okay. So it's actually really first time having a sushi.
Yeah.
Okay. So I hope you guys really enjoy the restaurant in Japan. Yeah. Okay.
I'm so excited to try sushi in here.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay.
Any recommended?
Huh?
Any recommended?
Recommendation for the sushi.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not really. I'm not sure about the Shinjuku area.
Mm-hmm.
I can maybe show you, after our film. there are some good restaurants here. I'm more like a ramen guy, so I know a lot about good ramen places. But yeah, sushis can be really expensive. So
Oh yeah.
yeah.
If ramen place,
Mhm.
we are going try to in Sapporo.
In Sapporo.
Oh.
Okay.
In Tokyo, we are not enough
You're not-
time.
Okay. Not much time.
Yeah.
You don't have enough time. I see. Have you done a lot of shoppings?
We are planning to Ginza,
Ginza?
and
Okay.
Mega Don Quixote.
Mega Don Quixote. Okay. So what do you buy? What are you planning to buy? What are you planning to buy in the Mega Don Quixote?
Souvenirs,
Souvenirs. Okay.
foods,
Uh huh.
That's it.
Okay, that's it. Okay, okay. Sorry, the last question is, what was the most surprising things, about Japan?
I like to come Japan is because it's easy to travel in.
Yes.
Easy to travel.
Easy to travel,
Okay, like a
yeah.
lot of instructions and
Yes,
like English.
yes.
And people here is so nice.
People here nice.
Yeah.
I see, I see.
The traffic is macet. There is no
Really?
macet.
Not much traffic here.
Oh yeah, no much.
I see, I
traffic
see.
here.
Okay,
But
okay.
in our country, we are in city place
Uh-huh.
in Jakarta.
Uh-huh.
It's so high traffic.
High traffic. A lot of bikes and a lot of cars.
Yeah.
I see, I see. So more crowded than like in Tokyo, in
Yeah.
Indonesia. I see, I see. Okay, so thanks so much for your time.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
and I hope you enjoy the rest of the stays and have a nice, have a fun in the Sapporo too.
Thank you.
Okay, thanks so much. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, and just could you tell us what your name is and where you're from?
My name's Cara, and I'm
Cara.
from Sydney, Australia.
Sydney, Australia.
And I'm Alex, and I'm also from Sydney, Australia
From
as
Sydney
well.
As well. So you guys came over here all together, or?
Yeah, we came together
I see. I
about
see.
2 days ago.
Oh, 2 days ago.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Nice and you.
I see. So just staying here in the Tokyo for the last 2 days, or?
Yeah, we've stayed in Tokyo for the last 2 days.
Okay.
We're here for another 2-3 days, and then we go to Kyoto after
In
that.
Kyoto. Okay.
Yeah.
So is this actually your first time visiting Japan, or?
Yeah, first time visiting Japan.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
So how do you guys like it so far? Like Japan?
It's super nice. Obviously, Australia being
Uh-huh.
English speaking only,
Right,
it's tough trying to come over here and
Uh-huh.
obviously interact.
Uh-huh.
But yeah, it's been really good and really
Okay.
fun so far.
I see. I see. So do you guys see like cultural differences, back in Australia and Japan?
Definitely.
Definitely.
Yeah. I think one of the first things we noticed was like Aussies are very loud.
Loud. Is
Yeah,
it?
so
Okay.
when we go into a restaurant and stuff,
Uh-huh. People are like
people are
talking
very
quite loud.
quiet.
Oh, okay, okay.
People here are very quiet.
Right,
they talk
right.
very quietly. So we've had to kind of just like make sure that we're not disrupting or disturbing
Oh.
anyone. So we've gotten a little quieter over here. But yeah,
Okay.
Aussies are very loud. So if you go into a restaurant there,
I
it's,
see, I
it's
see.
very loud and there's like lots of different
Uh-huh,
voices
uh-huh.
and stuff competing over each other. So it can,
Okay,
it can
okay.
get very chaotic. So
Chaotic,
it's very
is it?
it's very calm and cozy
I
here, which
see,
has
I
been
see.
really cool. Yeah.
Okay, okay. So have you guys like gone to any of the good Japanese restaurant here, like a sushi restaurant or ramen restaurant, like any kind of
We
authentic
went
Japanese
to
food?
we went to Udon Shin last night.
Udon?
For Udon Shin,
Udon Shin. Okay.
which was quite popular.
Is that
Are they
real?
franchise or is it
Yeah,
just one
I'm not
thing?
too sure.
Okay.
But like fresh noodles,
Uh-huh.
udon. It was really nice.
Oh.
But I think we're
Uh-huh.
getting some yakitori tonight, and
Uh-huh.
we might
Yakitori.
go to
Yeah,
a few
That's
bars after.
typical
Do you have any
Japanese food.
recommendations for us?
The recommendation here in the Shinjuku, I know there are lots. Yeah, if you go across the road and go into the Yokocho,
Yeah.
there are a lot of good yakitori places.
Yeah,
Right.
cool.
to use those
Awesome. Yeah, we'll give it a go.
Yeah, definitely.
Sorry,
definitely.
I asked you a question.
No,
We
no,
were
no
just
worries.
Curious
It's
to
kind of back and
see.
forth, it's good.
Yeah, all good.
What do you guys do, for your profession? What do you do for a living? Like,
I work in marketing.
marketing.
Yes.
Okay.
In a telco in Australia. So
Telecom in Australia.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
And I work as an exercise scientist for a medical screening company.
And so is that what you have been doing like for the last like?
I went to uni before that. So I
Okay.
did a bachelor's degree in communications and media.
In communication media.
So I did that
okay.
for 3 years, and then I
Uh-huh.
got this job,
Uh-huh.
and I've had it for about a year. So I've been marketing for
see.
about a year. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
And then same
You
thing
are-
for me. I did my bachelor's of exercise science,
Uh-huh, uh-huh.
and then same thing got into my exercise scientist role. I've been
Okay.
doing that for about 12 months as
Oh,
well.
12 months. I see. Okay, fantastic. I guess the last question is, what was the most surprising thing about Japan? No, I know that it's only been 2 days, but have you encountered like any big shocking things or like surprising
Good
things?
question.
Yeah, not as much surprising, but we've really found the people really, really nice and homely to interact with.
Okay.
Like, I mean, Aussies are, well, what we think, we have the reputation of being like quite nice as well, but all the Japanese people so far have been so nice and friendly to talk to, and
Okay.
obviously us who have basically no Japanese
Uh-huh.
language experience, but interacting with us, they've all been so nice and
I see, I
welcoming.
see.
We've really enjoyed it.
Okay, thanks. I'll take that as a compliment.
Yeah,
it's in
I know,
Japanese.
absolutely. Yeah.
I'm
Yeah.
glad that you guys are enjoying here in Japan.
Yeah, it's really good.
Okay. So when are you guys going back to Australia? Like in a few days or how long?
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Two
Yeah.
weeks? Okay, so you got like whole 2 weeks to enjoy here.
Yeah. So we're going skiing in Niseko. I'm sorry, we'll do that next week. which will be hopefully good. I hear the snow's great, so
Oh yeah, it's
Lots
pretty
of
good.
snow.
Yeah.
A lot of snows. Yes, I mean, not this year like compared to last year, but I'm
Yeah.
sure you guys gonna enjoy it.
awesome.
Yeah.
It'll be good
Awesome.
fun.
Yeah. All right.
Thank you very
Yeah,
much.
thanks so much for your time.
So lovely to meet you. What was your name?
Shunpei.
Shunpei,
Yeah,
Kara,
Shunpei,
Alex.
Ali.
やっぱり外国人の方って、お寿司とかラーメンとか好きな方が多いなっていう印象ですね。あと皆さん、やっぱこの京都とかっていう昔ながらの日本ですよね。っていうのが好きな方も多いけれども、やっぱシーズン的にニセコ、北海道ですかね、ニセコってね。ニセコにスキーに行くっていう人がね、多いんだなっていうね、印象をね、持ちましたね。で、まずですね、最初ね、インドネシアの方と、お寿司の話をしているところで、俊平さんが、I'm more like a ramen guy って言ってますよね。この more like a っていうね、言い方すごいね、口語的な会話のね、表現なんですよね。僕はどっちかっていうとラーメン党なんですよ。ramen guy って言ってますね。ここ guy っていうのは男性だから、guy っていうのを使ってるんですね。女性がね、I'm more like a ramen guy って言うと変なのでね。ここは男性だからガイを使ってます。で、お寿司よりはラーメン党なんだよねっていうね、言い方ですね。これよく使いますね。それから日本とね、インドネシアの違いはっていうところで、このハイトラフィックっていうふうに道路がすごい混んでるっていうね、話になったと思うんですけれども、このハイトラフィックっていうのは道路の交通量の時に使うのではなくて、ウェブサイトの訪問数が多いっていう時に、ハイトラフィックって使うんですよ。なので実際の道路の交通量っていう時は、ハイではなくてヘビーを使います。ヘビートラフィック。これが道が混んでる車が多いっていう時に使いますね。それからね、さっきもね、この京都とかね、大阪とか、日本の昔ながらの中心地みたいなところが外国人観光客に人気っていう話ちょっと私しましたけれども、この時に出てくるこの京都の発音、ね、清戸。言ってたの気がつきました。外国人ですね、英語話者ですね、英語ネイティブの方っていうのは、このキョっていう音がないんですよ。キョっていう発音がない。だからキヨになるんです。なのでキヨドになるんですね。同じく東京もキョットとが入ってますよね。でキョットとがないのでトキオになるんですよ。東京はトキオとキヨドっていうふうにね、発音される方が多いですね。長いこと日本に住んでる方は、キョって音の存在を知ってるので、普通に京都とか東京っていうふうに言います。でお仕事何してるんですかってこのね、OG カップルにね、俊平さんが聞いたときに、I work in marketing っていうふうに答えてたと思います。マーケティング業界にいますっていうね、こういう答え方。結構ね、日本人だと、職種を答えるというよりは、どこどこに勤めてますとか、会社員ですみたいな、言い方をすることが多いと思うんですよね。でも、英語で会社員っていう概念あんまりないんですよね。なので、どういう業界でどういう仕事内容をしてるかって答えるのが普通です。なので、マーケティングの仕事をしてるってことで、I work in marketing っていうふうに答えてます。こういう in の使い方ね、前置詞の使い方なんかも参考になるんじゃないかなと思いますね。俊平さんのね、質問で、日本に関して一番びっくりしたことって何ですかっていう、この、What was the most surprising thing about Japan? Most surprising ですよね。What was the most surprising thing about Japan? これも使えるので覚えてください。ぜひぜひ覚えてくださいね。で、ニセコに行きますっていうね、ところで、ニセコは雪が素晴らしいんですよね、みたいなね、話を、多分パウダースノーとかで有名なんですかね。そこで、I hear the snow is great っていうふうに言ってますね。この I hear。聞いてるっていうね、っていうふうに伺ってますとか、っていうふうに聞いてます。らしいですねって言いたいとき、I hear を使います。なんとからしいですねとか、なんとかなんですってねって言いたいとき、雪がすごいいい雪だっていうふうに聞いてるんですよっていうニュアンスですね。I hear the snow is great ですね。I hear って本当によく、実際行ったこともないし見たことはないけども、そういうふうにいろいろお話とかね、情報から知ってるっていうときに使えるので、これもね、覚えてくださいね。 以上ですね、今回もね、使える表現いっぱいだったんじゃないかなと思います。で、こういう質問をね、外国人の方にしてほしいとかっていうリクエストがありましたら、どんどん、下のね、コメント欄に書いていただけるとありがたいです。それからですね、最後に一つ告知です。3月10日からリスニングブートキャンプマスターコースというのが開始します。これ3ヶ月間のインテンシブコースで3ヶ月私のグループコーチングとサポートがつきます。Facebook グループを使ってですね、24時間私のサポートがつきますよ。興味のある方は下にリンク貼ってますので、そこからね、詳細を見てくださいね。ではではまた次の動画でお会いしましょう。See you!